Welcome back children to another video on division, and before we continue I will first give you the answers to the previous day's worksheet. So children, here are your answers. In the first one, 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 18 divided by 6 is 3. You can pause the video and check your answer. Children, here is the worksheet where you will have to make the groups and complete the division sentence. So in the first one, how many groups of 3 are there in 6? So you can see there are 6 flowers which is divided into groups of 3. So now you will have to write in the blank provided that how many groups of 3 flowers are there in 6. So 6 divided by 3 equals to dash. So you will have to fill up the blank space. How many groups of 9 are there in 18? How many groups of 7 are there in 14? And how many groups of 4 are there in 16? So complete your answer and I will give you the correct answers in a while. Here are your answers. There are 2 groups of 3 in 6. So 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. How many groups of 9 are there in 18? So there are 2 groups of 9 in 18. So 18 divided by 9 is equals to 2. How many groups of 7 are there in 14 is again 2. So 14 divided by 7 is equals to 2. And how many groups of 4 are there in 16? 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Use repeated subtraction to divide, and this is going to be your homework worksheet. So complete this worksheet and I will give you the correct answer in my next video. So children, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you had fun. So we will continue again in my next video. So see you in my next video and bye for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos.